I am Dr. Vivek Gupta, Senior Consultant Cardiologist in Apollo Hospital, Delhi, and I have the privilege of working in Saifa University along with Dr. Amit Singh, our our nurse, Dr. Rahul, and of course important technician from Apollo Hospital, Mr. Shyam. So this is a case which I have been told with the help of Dr. Amit Singh, who is a cardiac surgeon in Saifa University, that we have been treating this case as a case of an NSTEMI. It was already a diagnosed case of single vessel disease, coronary arteries, right coronary artery stenosis, discrete about 80% stenosis. And so angiography, we did a repeat angiography to find out what is the level of stenosis. And we have finished this procedure in about 10-15 minutes. I'll show you the shots. This is a post-stenting shot after deployment of very good stent. There's hardly any stenosis left. There's no minimal residual stenosis. Can you see the first shot? Pause. This is tight discrete stenosis in the distal RCA, a simple angioplasty procedure. Next view, we did a guide wire with the whisper wire used. Next view. Next. This is now we have put a guide wire inside the stenosis through it. Next step. Next. We did a pre-dilatation. Next. Pre-dilatation with 2.5 mm into 15 mm balloon. Next. And this is actually the post-dilatation after putting a stent. I think we have skipped one. Final shot. You can show the final shot. This is the final angiographic shot showing absolutely no residual stenosis. Come back. So this is the first case. We are very pleased to see that the whole lab. I would like to show the whole lab, especially Dr. Amit Singh again, and Mr. Mobi, Dr. Rahul, and Mr. Shyam. And we have done the first angioplasty of this workshop, and this is successfully done within a few minutes' time. And I thank the whole Saifa University staff to take this procedure, to invite me. And we are going to do another 8 cases in a quick procedure of time. Thank you very much. The result is perfect. The patient is treated well. It is a BPL patient, that means below poverty line patient. Totally free of cost, except for the cost. Even the cost of the stent is free. So this is the large difference between our hospital and Apollo, where we treat BPL patients, of course, but here everything is free. We are charging the consumables as per the rules. But overall, the results is very, I think that patient will be followed up, discharged in 2 days' time. And we will give GP2B receptor anticoagulation because there was some thrombus in that. And now we will be finishing up the procedure. We will remove the sheath from this area after the ACT is controlled within normal limit. And we will give 5 days of anticoagulation in the form of low molecular heparin, just to take care, because we don't want any stent thrombosis to happen in our country. It will be disastrous. So we are more careful than Western counterpart, where they are not using too much of low molecular heparin. But as a protocol, we use it and give the best to the patient, and the patient life is very important. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Vivek Gupta from Saifa University in Etawah, and I really thank also Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, who has taken the lead in getting us into this place, and so that we can start a regular program of doing the angioplasty cases, angiography cases. There are a lot of patients here. In fact, we should be saying that there are more than 100 patients waiting all the time, and these patients are really underprivileged, and they have no opportunity to go to Delhi to any private hospital. And if they go to the private government hospital in Delhi, there is a huge waiting list. So the best thing to treat them in Saifa itself, rather than sending them to another government hospital in Delhi. So I think this program will continue, and I really thank once again Mr. Akhilesh Yadav for giving this as lead and inviting us to do this program, and our Vice Chancellor Dr. Prabhakar, who has given us a big opportunity to stay and do this case. And I really congratulate the whole Saifa University staff and other members, so that they have done a wonderful job in this small village. Now I think it's called as a more bigger city rather than a village. Thank you very much.
A vote of thanks. Excellent results in no time at all. We thank Dr. Saab to help us out.